It's scary. Lots of work on the farm today. The animals always need feeding. Roosters. And a picnic with the hedgehog family. Swans and ducks. My new black Frisian mare and the Haflinger family. The cattle are arriving. The first ones to arrive are the Ancolwood Twosies. There's a cow, a bull and a calf. Next we have the Brahmins. Can you tell me how many sheep and lambs in today's video? The Ancolwood Twosie bull and cow. And here's the Brahmin cow and the bull. And here are the calves. The two Sarahs feed the calves. And time for a pat. And let's feed the adult cattle. And some water for the calves. The calf with the little horns is the Ancolwood Twosie calf. Here come the black-faced sheep, a lamb, a ewe, a ram, another ewe, and the Suffolk black-faced sheep. Time to feed the lamb. And time for a cuddle. The adult sheep are playing peekaboo. And now the girls are having a picnic. They've got the hedgehog family with them. In the wild, hedgehogs are primarily insectivores, but they will often eat whatever is available. They've been known to eat insects, slugs, baby mice, frogs, fish, worms, small snakes, eggs, and even fruit. They are definitely not picky eaters. And let's feed the hedgehogs. And here's an interesting lot. A swan, two roosters, 4 ducks, and some baby ducklings and baby swans. Baby swans are called cygnets. The noisy roosters. The swan takes the cygnets for a ride on her back. And now for the horses. I've put my favourites in. This is the Haflinger mare and her foal. And now my new black Frisian mare arrives along with the Haflinger stallion. The black Frisian mare with its beautiful red ribbon. They originated in the Netherlands. They are graceful and nimble horses. Sarah wants to feed the foal a carrot. And now to feed the adult horses. Another great day at the farm today, with so many people here to look and learn about the animals. Remember to press the bell icon to be notified when new videos are released. The animals in the red barn are a goat, a llama, a baby alpaca, the alpaca, a donkey foal and a donkey. Subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like farm animals. Thank you for watching my videos. Please share my videos with your friends. It really helps. See you again soon.